Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to earn up to $500, guys, with very little amount of work. And you can do this very quickly, guys. And I'm going to show you 3 sites where you could just earn up to $500 just by typing some names, guys. It's very easy to do, and I hope you can make some of this big money, guys. Okay, so let's get started. Let me show you right now. Alright guys, here's the first site I want to show you. It's called Slogan Slingers. And here you are going to be basically, for these 3 sites that I'm going to show you, you are basically going to help new businesses name their new business. So it's either going to be a slogan that they need or a new business name that they need, okay? So these are going to be contests that these new business owners have provided for you to kind of submit your own bid for the names that they want you to provide for them to choose a new name for their business, okay? So for Slogan Slingers, they may have a company name already, and they just need like a tagline. So they just need like a slogan is basically a few words or a phrase that is attached to a company or a brand's kind of what they're all about, okay? And I'll give you some examples for it. And also, I just want to make this point, okay? I'm going to have 2 free tools for you guys to do this very easily. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video so you can see the free tools that you can use this and make this a very easy task to do, okay, guys? All right, so let's get back to it here. So this is Slogan Slingers, okay? Brilliant slogans and taglines. You have our words on it. We've been the world's top source for catchy slogans and taglines for almost a decade. Start your slogan contest now for as little as $50 plus contest fees. Catchy slogans and taglines work. Start your company slogan competition now. Okay, so a new business owner will come here and click that button to start a new contest. So what they would do is start a new contest, tell us what they need, and then set the price. Great slogans pour in. So while the contest is going, it's usually going for about 7 days. And so during that 7 days, that's when me and you, people like me and you, can submit ideas for these new business owners, and you will take the information, give them the best slogan ever. And then the third is basically see if you win. So for example, if this was the client, a burger place, and they want a tagline. So this is the winner because it has a copyright already, so they already registered this as their tagline. Picasso used a canvas, we use a bun. So somebody submitted this and won the contest and won whatever prize that contest was worth, okay? Like legal artworks, we help jurors draw conclusions, okay? That's pretty cool. You could make them fun, like you could play with words and kind of give them a new slogan for their business, which they will use as something that they'll put on everything. So this is the Science Center. I love this. Have a nerdgasm. That is very awesome, very smart. So this is the type of things that you can submit to these contests and see if you can win this, okay? So in order for you to look at anything, look at what's on this contest board, you have to sign up for a account first. So you just click log in here, and then you're going to go to new user, and then you're going to choose writer because you're going to be the writer, right? You're going to come up with the slogans. And then you'll get to this page, okay? Why be a slogan slinger? You're going to earn money for your creativity. You could earn up to $999 per contest. Show off your skill against other great writers from the US, UK, Australia, and around the world. So this is definitely worldwide, guys. Entries are kept confidential until contest ends, so nobody can mimic your work. No sign-up fees. So you just get yourself set up, and then you will see the open contest. So I'm going to give you a sample of what a contest looks like inside here. So this one is about It's a contest for a law firm, okay? Magnolia Family Law. So this is going to be guaranteed $100, and there's already over 1,000 submits. And you have 3 days left here, okay? So this is a company. This is the name of the company. So she's a lawyer and she wants to have something for her own company. And so you will read all the details of what this person wants, and they provide a lot of information. So you got to make sure that your slogan is going to be detailed to all this information, guys, okay? And then you'll get to this page where you can actually submit your slogan. Here's one of the tools that I told you that it's going to be free to use. It's called Slogan Generator. It's at slogangenerator.org, okay? And what you're going to do here is you're going to type in a subject. So I'm going to just put in the whole Magnolia Family Law. Not just any Magnolia Family Law. So that's one of them. Raising the bar for Magnolia Family Law quality. Or let's see if we just do family law. Let's see what happens. Skilled family lawmakers. We know our family law. So that's a good one. We know our family law. It's to the point. Taking the lead for family law finest. So you can see that's just one of the tools I was going to show you. So you could either take these or take this and then kind of modify it and make it even more interesting, okay? Now, the second tool I was going to show you is here at Oberlo. At oberlo.com/tools/slogan-generator, okay? Or if you could just search Oberlo slogan generator on Google, you'll get to this page. For here, let's do family law and see what happens. I trust family law. Okay, so even though it generated over 1,000 slogans, a lot of these don't even make sense. The best family law in the world. Make the most of no. So it's give and take, okay? So you either get one at a time that actually fits the word better, or you get over 1,000 results and it's not all very good, okay? It doesn't all relate to family law like you can see right now. Can't be beat. I mean, that doesn't even make sense. Naughty no. So you guys you just gotta take these free tools with a grain of salt here, guys, okay? So that is what I want to show you anyway. So here's the second site I was going to show you is called Naming Force. Here's another business name contest. So this one is business name. It's not a slogan. So this could be a little bit easier for people who don't want to do slogans. And so this is kind of works about the same, guys, okay? So let's take a look at some of the contests that they have. So they have, like, this one is $500 you can win. You can win 1 to 200. So they're by the phase that they're in right now for this site. This one doesn't have too many. The other one doesn't have that many either. This one didn't have that many as well. This one had about 3 of them. And then so this one has 3 right now that is going on. So this one is private, so you need to kind of sign in to be able to go into this one. So this last one I'm going to show you, it has the best contest. It has the most contests, and it has a lot of good ones that you can enter, okay? So you go to squadhelp.com and you go to contests and you go browse active contests. You'll see here that there are many. So look at this one is 500. It says need funding for packaged food company. That's going to be a pretty fun one to do. This one's 500, a vitamin brand, 300 for need a logo for brand and website. So this one you need a logo. You need a logo to submit. Here's another 300, 300. But you can see up here that there are 400 contests. So these guys are way bigger than this one or this one, okay? So those are the 3 sites I was going to show you, but obviously it's going to be best if you just do it for all 3 so you have more chances to win, guys, okay? that is just one of the many ways that you can earn some money online, guys. But you can see that this can not be that dependable because you just enter in contests and you may not win. And you can see that there's a lot of people entering these contests. But you do have two tools to kind of help you get your juice flowing and get your imagination going and get some good slogans and names for them. But if you guys want to earn a lot more money and more consistent money, you might want to check out the program that I use, which is linked underneath this video description. It's going to be the first link in the video description. You should check out that program in the video description because it teaches you online skills that is required to earn consistently online, guys. Okay, so you could build an online business that you can actually earn any time of the day, guys. Earn passively, guys. Okay, and this is something that I've been doing online since 2016. I've been using this business model to earn online, to earn a consistent income online, and a 4-digit online income. It's something that I can depend on, something my family can depend on. So entering contests like that is not something that I do to make money online, guys. So if you want to learn something like that, just check out the first link in the video description below, and I will send you all the information that you need to find out what that is, okay? And how to get involved, okay? All right, guys. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up underneath this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online. And also hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out, guys, okay? So I hope you will win some contests soon and learn some online skills to make big money soon, guys, okay? I will see you on the next video. Bye.